Sarah O'Kelly here with Skipper's Review TV, and I am with Ed Ruff of ECRuff Marine, and we're at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show 2018, and Ed and ECRuff Marine cover a lot of bases in the marine industry. They've been around since the 2000s, so probably around 18 years or so, and so it's electrical generators, dock boxes. But what we're going to focus on today is bow thrusters. And the little bit I know about bow thrusters is you put them on the bow on the stern of your boat. They prevent you from having an embarrassing docking as you pull up to a restaurant. And you have now a remote control, right, that you can use with the bow thrusters. So tell me a little bit about the remote control.
The remote control will allow you to have motor control functions, bow and stern thruster functions, windlass or two windlasses, and allow you to blow the horn.
So you don't have to be actually at the helm in order to operate the bow thrust. You can be standing all the way over on the port or wherever it is you want to be.
100 feet away if you want.
And so there are a few different remote controls out there for bow thrusters. Is there anything in particular that maybe stands out about the one that, what's the name of the one that you're selling right now?
DockMate. It has a waterproof handset, so you don't get any condensation or have any issues with communication from point A to point B. Licensed with a lot of different shifter companies, so it's a plug-and-play system where you're not having to cut wires or control harnesses to avoid warranty for transmissions or your shifter capabilities.
And what about price range? Is it like a high price range? Or?
It's right about half the price or the cost of our competitors that are out in the market with more features. One of the features that's nice is it has a button that you can blow your horn. You have another button to have dual communication for one or two windlasses. And you have a control function for a single or twin engine function, bow and a stern. It's no add-ons. It's already in the new technology of the equipment.
How big should your boat be? How many engines do you need to have? Will it work on a single engine 20-footer? Is there any point in even putting it on a single engine?
We put thrusters in 21-foot boats, ski boats, center consoles, single engine midship motor boats. Those are very difficult to maneuver, dock, and drive at slow speeds when you're waiting for a bridge. All the manufacturers have their own specific needs and functions. There's retractables, there's bolt-on units.
All right, so let's say I have a 32-footer. All right, let's make it bigger. I have a 42-footer, twin engines. What kind of bow thruster do you think I'd need on that to make it pretty manageable for a knowledgeable captain?
On that size boat, Side Power has an SE 100, comes in a 12 or 24 volt, and that would give you adequate maneuverability and pounds of thrust to move the boat in 20 knot winds with current.
Awesome. Okay, thank you very much, Ed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Sarah O'Kelly, Skipper's Review TV at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show 2018.